too close.
Second generation Kmart K-223 blade. Works great.
Motor's a little stiff, so we're going to take it apart again.
So I go ahead. Here's high. Here's medium. And low. Back to medium. Back to high. And off. We think we'll have this video.
Start talking.
Okay, here are 3 Lakewood box fans. One's the Lakewood 4th generation P-25, Lakewood 2nd gen K-223, and last but not least, the 3rd generation K-223, P-223 that we made a video of once before. Okay, here's high on this one. From this one too. Now medium. And low. All 3 of these fans have perfect, nice, smooth, low speed. Alright, now I'll turn back to medium. Now back to high. Now off. The 3rd gen's winning. It's been downtime. It's been downtime. 25 came in last place.